Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about equivalent fractions and simplifying fractions. First, we'll look at the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are fractions that mark the same place on the number 9. For example, 1, 2, and 2, 4 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are produced by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Well, this number can actually be any whole number greater than 1. And on the other hand, equivalent fractions can also be produced by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number as well. On the right of this board, which is next to the numerical examples, are visual representations using rectangles divided into parts, with some sections shaded red to illustrate the fractions. This diagram visually confirms that the initial fractions and its equivalent fraction represent the same proportion of a whole. Next, let's go to simplifying fractions. To do this, the numerator and the denominator must be divided by their highest common factors. The first one is the fraction 4, 6, which is simplified by finding common factors in the numerator 4 and the denominator 6. Both 4 and 6 are divided by their greatest common factor, 2. This is shown as 2 times 2 over 2 times 3. With the 2 is crossed out, resulting in the simplified fraction 2/3. The second example, fraction 9 over 12. Here, both 9 and 12 share a common factor of 3, which is represented by 3 times 3 over 3 times 4, with the number 3 crossed out, leading to the simplified fraction 3/4. Third example, 12 over 16. This fraction, 12 over 16, is simplified by both have a common factor of 4, which is shown as 4 times 3 over 4 times 4, with the 4 crossed out.